consider this 9 months. We take only completed year of service. What is the limit of gratuity? Remember, up to 20 lakh gratuity is exempted. Up to 20 lakh, not 20 lakh, up to. Leave encashment up to this exempted. Are 10 months of your average salary. Are how many months left out for that your average salary multiplied. Hello everyone, this is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And today we are doing two problems on retirement benefit, and we are discussing your Unit 3 and Session 3 of Income Tax 1. Now, under retirement benefit, we have few topics which are very important for your examination. Problems on retirement benefit. Problem number 5, we already done with 4 problems, and now we are into problem number 5. Natraj, who is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, who retires on December 25th, 2019 from A Limited and receives rupees 8 lakh as a gratuity after service of 36 years, 9 months. Remember, we don't consider this 9 months. We take only completed year of service. Now, 8 lakh as a gratuity after service of 36 years and 9 months. His salary is rupees 24,000 per month up to June 30th, 2019. And rupees 28,000 per month from 2019. Besides, he get DNS allowance of rupees 4,000 per month, 70% of which is considered for service benefit. These are the informations we have. Find the taxable amount of gratuity for the assessment year. Easiest one. What is the limit of gratuity? Remember, up to 20 lakh gratuity is exempted. Up to 20 lakh, not 20 lakh, up to. Now, if you go as per this, what is the actual gratuity received? They have mentioned that he received rupees 8 lakh. So take 8 lakh. Now, what is the maximum limit? The maximum limit is 20 lakh. It is over. But what is the as per salary? How much you will get? Will go. Your as per salary of 5 months from Feb to 9. I'll go with the salary calculation. His salary is rupees 24,000 per month up to June. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. So we'll start with April, May, June. And 28,000 per month from July, August, September, October. And gets DA of 4,000, yes. And till December per month 70,000, yes. Now, if you go for the calculation, salary it is around, I got 5 months from February to June 2019. So, we don't consider from the April, we go with the 10 months calculation. So, what is 10 months calculation? If December he ended his service means, go back 10 months. December, November, October, September, August, July, June, then May, April, March. So, from March 1st we can consider. When he resigned 25th December, so we don't consider December. So, we go back for February. So, February if you go, Feb, March, April, May, June. Up to June he got 24,000. Or yeah, 24,000. Thereafter it is 28. Thereafter 28,000. Now, so plus DA is 2,800 into 5 months, total 10. I'll show you calculation. December 25th, he left the job. We have to take previous 10 months. We don't consider this December. Clear? Previous 10 months means what? Average salary of 10 months. So it will be November, then October, September, then it will be August, July, June, May, April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, March, Feb. These are the previous 10 months. Hope you got. These are the previous 10 months we got. Now, so as per this, what we will do? So, what is his salary for 6 months? So, it will be salary is how much? 24,000 up to June 30th. Up to June 30th, 24,000. So, from Feb, it is 24,000. 24,000, 24,000, 24,000 and June 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after that what happens? 28,000 per month thereafter. So it will be what? 28, 28, 28, 28, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 months. This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 5 months. So hope you got. Now what is the DA? It is given 2,800. So it will be 24,000 plus DA is 2,800. 26,800. Then 28,000 plus DA is 2,800. It will be 30,800 into 12 into 12. These are your calculation. If you do this calculation, you will get 1,34,000, 1,54,000. So how much it is? 1,34,000 and 1,54,000. So 1,34,000, 1,54,000. You got 2,88,000. Divide by 10. How much you will get? You will get 28,800. Hope you are clear. These are the calculation they have done. Now, so we got 28,000. Half salary means what? Half salary means 28,000 divided by 2 is your 14,400. How many years completed? 36 years completed. Into 36, you got 5,18,000. Out of this, whichever is less. 5,18,400 is less. From 8 lakh, you minus 5,18,400, you will get 2,81,600. This will be your answer. How come you got this 8 lakh means? Your actual gratuity received is 8 lakh. 8 lakh minus least of the following. What is the least? 1, 2, 3. 5,18,000 is the least. 8 minus 5,18,000. Your gratuity taxable amount is 2,81,600. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. Now we'll go with the next one. There is your leave encashment. So we'll go with leave encashment. Manjunath was an employee of company. He took premature retirement from 1st October. After completing 26 years of service, his average salary for last 10 months is 19,200 and DA is 800. 19,200 plus DA 800, total 20,000 is his salary. Hope you are clear. What is his salary? Yes. Now, which was treated as salary for the purpose of retirement benefit. He had availed 19 months earned leave while in the service on the basis of 30 days leave for every year. He was paid 1,29,500 as salary and 5,600 as a DA. So how many months he will get? He completed 26 years. 26 years means he will get 26-month leave. Every year he will get 1 month leave. Again, I'll repeat. Every year he will get 1 month leave. Now, 26 months leave he got. How many leaves he has used? 19. Minus 19, still 7 months is pending. Hope you are clear. Yes. Computation of exempt amount of encashment earned leave for the assessment year. Leave at the rate 1 month leave every year. So it will be how much? 26. Then leave availed, how much? 19. Leave due, how much? 26 minus 19 is what? 7. Now, we have to go with the least of the following. What is the least? For 7 months, what will be your salary? As you know that your salary is how much? 20,000. For 7 months, how much? 7 into 20,000. Your answer is 1,40,000. Now, 10 months average salary is how much? 2 lakh. 20,000 into 12, it is 2 lakh. Then, maximum exemption is how much? 3 lakh. Amount received is how much? It is given, see? 1,29,500 plus 5,600. So, it is how much? 1,35,000. Which is the least of the following? 1,35,100 is the least, less value. Hope you are clear. This much exemption you get from leave encashment. Remember, leave encashment up to 3 lakh it is exempted. Or 10 months of your average salary. Or how many months left out, for that your average salary multiplied. Or actual leave encashment received. Whichever is least can be considered as exemption. Go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. These two are very important problems. Your problem number 5, your solution. Problem 6, solution. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood the concept called retirement benefit. Please work out at home. Thank you.